Yeah, yeah. Come on, y'all. We about to get our praise on up in this piece right now. Y'all know how we do. You show 'em. Come on, listen up. Yeah. Get your hands up. Alright, check it out, man. We're gonna do this thing like this. Here we go, y'all.
In the corners of my mind, I just can't seem to find a reason to believe that I can break free. 'Cause you see, I have been down for so long, feel like all hope is gone. But as I lift my hands, I understand that I should praise you through my circumstance.
Come on.
So I can dance. I just wanna praise you. Just wanna praise you. Everything that could go wrong, all went wrong at one time. So much pressure fell on me. I thought I was gonna lose my mind. Lord, I know you wanna see if I will hold on through these trials. But I need you to lift this load, 'cause I can't take it no more. In the corners of my mind, I just can't seem to find a reason to believe that I can break free. 'Cause you see, I have been down for so long, feel like all hope is gone. But as I lift my hands, I understand that I should praise you through my circumstance. So I can dance. Just wanna praise you. Just wanna praise you. Broke my chains, now I